Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I will show you how to create a realistic product pouch mockup and packaging design in Photoshop. Quick and easy. Let's get started. At first, select the pen tool and press Ctrl plus button from keyboard for zoom in the canvas and hold the spacebar button and just drag the mouse. Select the whole package with pen tool. We just create points. Now select the Add Anchor Point tool and properly adjust the curve area. Now our selection part is the completed. Now press Ctrl minus button for zoom out the canvas and again select the pen tool and click the shape option. You can see your shape 1 layer is here. Turn off this layer and select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle according to your product. Double click on it and change the shape color. Press OK and right click on it and select Convert to Smart Object option. Change the layer name Smart Object. And reduce the Smart Object layer opacity for visible better the main product. Select the Move tool and adjust the Smart Object and press Ctrl T from keyboard. Now right click on it and select the Distort option. Adjust the points according to your product. Press Ctrl plus button for zoom in the canvas and adjust properly the 4 points of Smart Object. And again right click on it and select the wrap option for curve area. You can see the whole product covered by the Smart Object. Now press OK and zoom out the canvas and fill the opacity 100%. Now double click on the Smart Object and let's go start the packaging design. select the round tool and draw a round. Make it the oval shape and change the color. Press Ctrl T from keyboard and adjust the oval shape. Now select the bowl layer and go to FX option and add some drop shadow. You can change the shadow angle, reduce the distance option and make it more blur for increase the size. Reduce the opacity. Press Ctrl J for copy any layer and press Ctrl T and adjust the placing area. You can rotate any object simply. Now adding some text here. Now adjust the alt text from lower part. Now our design is ready. Then go to File and click the Save option. Now you can see your design is updated here. Now adding some pouch texture. Hold the Control button from keyboard and click the Shape 1 layer and select the background layer. Now press Ctrl J from keyboard. Drag this layer on the top and press Ctrl J 2 times. Turn off the top 3 layers and select the Smart Object layer and again hold Ctrl button and click the Shape 1 layer. Select the Smart Object layer and adding the Mask layer. Turn on the top 3 layers and rename them Light, Mid-tone, and Shadow. Turn off the light and mid-tone layer and select the shadow layer. Change the layer mode normal to multiply and turn on the mid-tone layer and change the layer mode normal to linear dodge add and press Ctrl L from keyboard for adjust the labels point. Now press OK and turn on the light layer and change layer mode normal to screen. Again press Ctrl L from keyboard and adjust the labels point. Then press OK. Again go to the Smart Object layer and the white color little bit more gray. Then press OK and go to File again and click the Save option. and down the mockup art text. Then again go to file and click the save option. You can see your product is ready. Mockup and packaging design is ready. Adding some background color, then select the background layer and add the solid color layer. Choose the background color, then press OK and change the layer mode normal to linear one. Your mockup is ready to use. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.